Okay, this recipe is really quick and super easy, and it is a great way to get the kids involved in the kitchen because there's literally almost no cooking required. And what you do need to cook can be done well ahead of time. So let's make this BLT dip. What I've got in the bowl is 1 cup of mayo. I added 1 cup of sour cream, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then, as you can see there, I've got a tomato that's been all diced up. I believe I used 2 Roma tomatoes, but I believe that's what they were going for. And then, of course, 1 pound of bacon that's been all chopped up. And then you just stir this around. And that is literally it. Stir it around. It keeps in the fridge for about a week, and but this dip I would actually serve with crackers over like chips because it's kind of a thicker dip. So that's it. BLT dip done.